This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your RAM 1500 key fob battery. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to safely open the fob. For the battery, most RAM key fobs use a 3-volt CR2032 coin cell. It's always a good idea to double-check your existing battery's type to ensure you have the correct replacement on hand. Now, let's carefully open your key fob. Begin by locating the small release button, usually found on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the emergency mechanical key. Once the emergency key is removed, you'll see a small notch or slot. Insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into this opening and gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Gently pry it out using your screwdriver, taking note of which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct installation of the new battery. Now, take your fresh 3-volt CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment. Make sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Press it firmly into place. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Gently press them together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place, ensuring there are no gaps. Next, slide the emergency mechanical key back into its slot until it locks. Finally, test your newly reassembled key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. You should see the indicator light flash, confirming your battery replacement was successful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.